Hello everyone, my name is John Gallagher from ADI Global Distribution's AV technical team. Today we're going to be looking at Bose Professional's Audio Pack Pro. So let's take a closer look. The products we're going to be taking a look at today include the FreeSpace IZA190HC integrated zone amplifier, the FreeSpace FS2SE Loudspeaker, and the CC1 volume controller. On the front of the FreeSpace IZA190HC, we have an on and off switch, a power indicator, an input clip indicator, a mic line input, a gain for the mic line input, an aux input, an input A, input B selector, a treble and a bass knob, and also a master level control. On the back of the unit we have RCA inputs for input A and input B, as well as gain controls for both. We have a paging microphone input with a gain for that. We have some dip switches which I'll go into shortly. We have a remote input for the optional volume control. We have an aux output. We have a fire mute, we have an EQ switch and an output trim, and we have the speaker output terminal. Now if we take a closer look at the dip switches, you'll see we have a page/mic normal and bypass master option. This determines if the page input source will follow the master level output or can be set to a fixed output level to ensure announcements can be heard. When set to bypass master, use the respective input gain controls to adjust the volume level of each microphone. We also have an output mono, output stereo. This determines if stereo input sources will be output in mono or stereo. We also have a front mic mix or front mic duck. This determines if the front panel microphone input will be mixed in with the music source or if the music output level will be automatically ducked when someone speaks into the microphone. And finally we have an aux out EQ, aux out flat, which determines if the aux out will have selected loudspeaker EQ preset applied to it or not via the switch. On the back of the FreeSpace FS2SE loudspeaker, we have a terminal with connections for a 100 volt line and low impedance inputs from the amplifier. We also have output terminals, so you can daisy chain these to multiple speakers. The FreeSpace FS2SE loudspeaker also has multiple speaker tapping options. To change the speaker tapping, you simply slide the grill off the front of the speaker and turn the rotary dial. To connect the CC1 volume control to the amplifier, we're simply going to take the orange and white and the green and white strands of Cat5 and connect them into the power and volume terminals as per the manual. On the other side, we're going to connect the other end of the Cat5 into the main terminal on the back of the CC1 volume control. Finally, connect the speakers to the output of the amplifier. If you'd like any more information on any of the products featured in today's video, head into your local branch or contact your account manager.